Bhutan Media Foundation, in collaboration with Helvetas Bhutan and funded by the European Union, commenced a 2-day sensitization workshop on civil society organizations and community-based organizations. Aimed at journalists, the workshop seeks to further a deeper understanding between media and civil society. On June 17, 2024, 25 journalists representing print and broadcast media outlets gathered for the inaugural day of the workshop. The session began with the CSO authority outlining the institutional and legal frameworks governing civil society in Bhutan.
The CSOs authority, CSO governance, CSO compliance issues or corruption issues. The first, the authority, secretary, review
civil society not just your organization. Selfishly, as you mature, as you have more ideas, as you have more network, and the
Chaplo Pasu provided insights into the current state of civil society in the nation, while 𝐂𝐿𝐻 shared the inspirational journey of Bhutan Kidney Foundation, which he founded and leads as executive director. The workshop intends to bridge the gap between media professionals and CSOs, CBOs, encouraging a closer collaboration toward enhancing governance and development initiatives in Bhutan.